Hello South Africa. Undeniably tainted, EFF rejects Kholeka Gcaleka's appointment as PP. The Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, says the appointment of Advocate Kholeka Gcaleka as public protector is a reward for absolving President Cyril Ramaphosa of wrongdoing in the Phala Phala farm scandal. On Thursday, October 19, the National Assembly voted in favor of Gcaleka to be appointed as the next public protector. A total of 244 MPs voted in favor of Gcaleka while 12 voted against. The ANC, GOOD, IFP, NFP and LJOMA voted in favor of Gcaleka. The DA and EFF were not present during the voting session. The Red Berets have been vocal about the Phala Phala farm scandal and also rejected Gcaleka's final report following an investigation by the Office of the Public Protector. The party said Gcaleka's appointment bears the hallmarks of a pro-quid pro arrangement, a reward for absolving Ramaphosa of wrongdoing and conflicts of interest in the Phala Phala investigation by the Office of the Public Protector. Gcaleka studied law at the University of KwaZulu-Natal, where she later obtained her LLB degree in 2003. The thirst for knowledge doesn't stop there, either. The new public protector also holds a master's in commercial law obtained at the University of Johannesburg. Has she got the experience? Well, she has been Nkwane's deputy since 2020 and has been the acting public protector since Nkwane's suspension. She has almost 15 years working as an advocate under her belt. Kholeka Gcaleka has also spent the last decade in senior management roles. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.